Dear students, today we are going to discuss Michael addition reaction. It is a 1,4 nucleophilic addition reaction that involves nucleophilic addition of a carbanion. That carbanion is produced from a compound containing active hydrogen atom on a alpha beta unsaturated compound to form an adduct. That means it's an addition reaction between two compounds. One is compound containing active hydrogen atom and the other one is alpha beta unsaturated compound. These two added together, actually it is a 1,4 nucleophilic addition that will form an adduct. So we can write it as active hydrogen compound plus alpha beta unsaturated compound to give the products. This active hydrogen compound can be malonic ester, acetoacetic ester, nitro compounds, aldehydes, ketones, etc. Example is malonic ester CH2, COO, C2H5, COO, C2H5 plus alpha beta unsaturated compound CH3, CH, double bond CH, CO, CH3. The reaction takes place in presence of base. So in presence of sodium ethoxide, what will happen here? First this will form, this malonic ester will form a carbanion. Then that carbanion will react with this alpha beta unsaturated compound. Then the product will be formed. Actually what happened here is one hydrogen will be removed from this active hydrogen atom. So that will be CH minus. Then this CH minus will attack to this beta carbon. Because here beta carbon is the alpha beta product. So this CH2 will be attacked to this beta carbon atom. Then addition C single bond CH. A new C single bond CH bond will be formed. So here malonic ester compound containing active hydrogen atom react with alpha beta unsaturated compound in presence of base that form adduct. Discuss the mechanism. First step is formation of nucleophile. So this is our malonic ester, the compound containing active hydrogen atom. This is active because of the presence of this acetate group attached to this carbon atom. So in the presence of base, here sodium ethoxide C2H5O minus Na plus. So here this hydrogen atom will be abstracted by this base. C2H5O minus will take this H plus ion because this hydrogen is active. So it can lose hydrogen as H plus ion. So this C2H5O minus will take this H plus ion. So here this H plus will lose from here. So this will form carbanion CH minus COO C2H5 COO C2H5. So this is the nucleophile. This nucleophile will attack alpha beta unsaturated compound to form addition product. So second step is nucleophilic attack at alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. This is our alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound CH3, CH, double bond CH, CO, CH3 that will react with this our nucleophile CH minus COO C2H5 COO C2H5. Here what will happen? This double bond electrons will shift towards here. Then this double bond or this electron will shift towards the oxygen because oxygen is more electronegative. Here when this electron is shift towards this carbon atom, here it will be positive and this carbon atom acquires negative charge. And when this electron is shifted towards the oxygen atom, this carbon will acquire positive charge. So this positive charge will take this CH minus ion. This carbanion or this nucleophile will attack to this carbon atom. A new C bond will be formed. And here one additional negative and positive, it will form a double bond. And the carbon atom, this electron is shifted towards the oxygen. So oxygen atom acquires negative charge. See the new bond here. Carbon new bond will be formed. So the product is CH3 CH double bond CO minus CH3 and here this malonic ester group, the carbanion group will be attacked to this carbon atom. So this is the enolate form. Now this enolate form undergo tautomerism. How it will form? This CO minus, this electron will shift towards this carbon atom. Then this electron will shift towards this CH. So this carbon atom will acquire negative charge. So the product form will be CH3 CH COO C2H5 twice. Then here CH will be negative, then CO CH3. So this is the compound form. Next step is step 3. Step 3 is protonation of this enolate form to form the final product. Step 3 is protonation of enolate ion. This is our enolate ion CH3, CH, CH, COO, CH2, H5 twice, CH double bond CO minus CH3 undergo protonation with hydronium ion. So this hydronium ion will transfer H plus ion to this O minus. So it will form OH. So the product form will be CH3, CH, CH, COO, C2, H5 twice, CH double bond COH, CH3. So this is a 1,4 addition product because this is a carbon atom which contain these groups. So the number of carbon atom is 1, 2, this is the third carbon and this is the fourth group. That is why it is known as 1,4 addition product. Here it is first carbon, second carbon, third atom and fourth atom. To this oxygen is a fourth atom. So this hydrogen addition takes place to this fourth. That is why it is known as 1,4 addition product. Then addition takes place to this fourth. That is why it is known as 1,4 addition product. Step is tautomerism. Here only structural changes is there to acquire more stability. So here this is a enol form, then it will form to keto form. So from alcoholic form to ketone form, it will undergo tautomerism. So the product is CH3, CH, CH, COO, C2, H5 twice, CH2. This hydrogen will come to here, CH2, then CO, CH3. So after tautomerize, the product is formed is this one. We are giving some examples. One is malonic ester CH2, COO, C2, H5, COO, C2, H5 react with methyl cinnamate C6H5, CH, double bond CH, COO, CH3 in presence of base. So what will happen here? Here first it will form carbanion, CH minus will be there. Then this bond is shifted to this carbon atom. So here it will be positive charge. This carbon atom will be attached to this CH minus. So the product form will be C6H5, CH. Then to this carbon another new CH2, CH will be attached. So CH, COO, C2H5. Then here it will be CH2, COO, CH3. Next is ethyl cyanoester react with this alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Here this CH2 group is the active hydrogen compound. So first is carbanion formation. This carbanion will react with this alpha beta unsaturated compound. So here this electron will be shifted towards here and this electron will shift towards here. So to this carbon atom, this CH bond will be attached. So the product form will be CH2, then here CH, CN, COO, C2H5, then here it will be CH2, CO, CH3. So dear students, today we have discussed Michael addition reaction. That's a 1,4 nucleophilic addition reaction that involves nucleophilic addition of a carbanion on an alpha beta unsaturated compound to form an adduct. I hope the mechanism is clear. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.